Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word crooning. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The singer closed his eyes and began crooning a romantic ballad, captivating the audience with his smooth voice. Crooning refers to singing or humming softly and melodiously, often in a low, soothing manner, typically associated with romantic or nostalgic songs. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.